Hello dear students, welcome back to IAS and Depth classes. Today we are going to learn about an island named Socotra. So talking about the location of Socotra, Socotra is located to the west of Arabian Sea. So here is Arabian Sea. To the west of Arabian Sea, you'll be able to see Socotra. So this is Socotra, right? I'm zooming in and you will be able to see Socotra. Socotra is one of the most beautiful islands in the world. It is located in Gulf of Aden and it is part of the country Yemen. So here is Gulf of Aden and country Yemen. Socotra is part of Yemen. So post the civil war led by Houthis, this Socotra island is presently administered by Southern Transitional Council. Southern Transitional Council is backed by UAE government. They are ruling the southwestern part of Yemen, this region, okay, south of Sana'a. So capital Sana'a is ruled by Houthis and the southern part is ruled by Southern Transitional Council. Socotra is located to the east of Horn of Africa. In Horn of Africa, you will be able to see the countries of Somalia, Ethiopia, Djibouti, and Eritrea. So, Socotra is located very near to Somalia. Socotra is a very poor governorate of Yemen. Post the civil war, the UAE government is involving in many infrastructure projects in Socotra. They are helping the people in building hospitals, schools, drinking water projects, electricity networks, etc. Saudi government is also funding projects to develop schools. They are also providing boats to fishermen. So fishing and cattle rearing is the most important occupations of the people living in Socotra. So the estimated population of Socotra is almost 60,000. And talking about the vegetation, the most important tree in Socotra is dragon's blood tree. Talking about the landforms, Socotra is famous for karst landform. We can witness caves, caverns, stalactites and stalagmites in Socotra. Socotra is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The highest mountain in Socotra is Hajhir mountain. I'm zooming in to Hajhir, right? And Socotra is located in a major shipping route. This shipping route is also very dangerous because of piracy. So in order to counter piracy, a greater involvement of navy forces of different countries in this region is crucial for the trade between Asian countries and European countries. Needless to say, Socotra is acting as a gateway between Arabian Sea, Gulf of Aden, and then further to Red Sea, then to Suez Canal, and then to Mediterranean Sea and to Europe. There are four major islands, part of Socotra archipelago. The first one and the largest one is Socotra. The second one is Dersa. Third one is Samhah. And fourth one is Abdel Quiri. Alright, I hope it's very clear now for you about Socotra Island. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.